So today I am going to be walking you through the design back end of the new Squarespace 7.1 version. So what we're going to do here is kind of start on our home page of the back end here, click on design, and then here you'll see a breakdown of everything that you can customize and change on this Squarespace 7.1 version. So this is a little bit different from previous versions, as it used to be you'd be able to click on something and immediately style it. Now it is broken down into these specific categories. So today I'm just going to really focus on the top 6 categories here, just because there are so many customizations. And the bottom pages here, they're a little bit more intuitive to navigate, and I did include a description of each of those in your email for today, day 5. So first place we're going to start is fonts. If you click on fonts here, you can see, once it loads, that there are some pre-made combinations. So sans serif, if, as you know, sans serif means it doesn't have the little feet on the bottom or any part of the text. So these are some sans serif combinations. Then we have serif combinations. As you can see here, they do have the little feet on the text. And then mixed just means that you've got one font that is serif, one font that is sans serif. Now, if you have a very specific font in mind and you don't see that combination here, no matter which option you pick on, so Clooney here, you can click on the gear button and customize each of the different parts of your page, the fonts on that part. So headings, paragraphs, buttons, metadata. So metadata is what you will see if you're running a blog. Coming back to the design home page, you can click on colors. Colors, you can see the different types of palettes. Now, you did see in my email, I mentioned there are several different categories of palettes that you can choose from. So what you'll do is you'll come to edit. I have it under custom colors. So I created my own palette here for my website. And as you can see here, there were a couple of different options and combinations of that color palette that I created. So these are the different themes, the different options. But come to edit here and you can see there are designer palettes. So these are pre-made palettes. From an image, you can upload an image and select a color palette from that, from a color, and then custom colors. Coming back to the design homepage, if you click on buttons, you can just design all of your buttons here. So if you want to do a solid or outline, the shape, and the padding around the button. Now, product items. If you're going to be selling products on your website, this is the page that you're going to come to make any and all design changes and customizations to how that product is presented. So you can see how it's presented in a gallery, you can see click actions, you can see how the size of the photo of your product, the width. So all kinds of navigations for your product will be placed here on the product items page. Finally, image blocks. So if you're uploading images, you'll notice that there are different styles that you can upload images on for your website. So you can do the poster style, card style, overlap, collage, and stack. For all of those options, no matter which one you opt for, this is the page you're going to make those changes and customizations to. So you can align the text, change the content width, title separation if you have a title and then a subtitle, and then if you have a button for a link on that image, card or poster or overlap, whatever you choose, this is where you will alter the size of that button. Take your time, browse through, play around with it, and find what works best for your website. Have so much fun, and thank you so much.